Yeah. So we are making the vegetable stew.
Yeah, vegetable sauce, yes, stew. The brown rice.
Brown rice.
And we're doing with fried plantain.
Okay, excellent. And the brown rice is already pre-cooked, and we use the local Nigerian brown rice. You saw it before as well, which one I'm using. This is my favorite, by the way, because I discovered it when I first came here, and since then I started cooking that one. And the sauce we have tatashe,
Shombo, tomatoes, ginger, garlic, and onions.
We put all of them together and blend it. So this is our sauce. And I think, I don't know whether I will remember the names of them. There are two different leaves, but they look really the same to me.
Then the two different leaves are shoko and tete. Tete is green. The two different leaves we're using.
Okay, it's just maybe different texture. That's why you're using. Okay, perfect. And we are also going to use locust beans. Remember that I told you this is really important because when you eat the fermented food, it will help you to digest and eliminate better, and you can actually cleanse your undigested food in your gut. And we are also going to fry the plantain without any oil. Remember, we also have an electric skillet. So what you do, you preheat 230. When it's ready, lower it down 120. Just put it in there and it will actually fry it. And taste is amazing. I actually had it before. And now we can start adding the sauce into the pan. So for this amount, and then we are going to add also some of the green beans.
The shoko and
actually we can't put it.
I'm sure you've noticed we'll be using the 1 cup to cook, but you're actually using this for 1.7. In case you want to do for your family, you can as well use the 16 cups and the brazier pan. But let me introduce you to the brazier pan. This is the newest product we have, and it's one of the finest. In case you don't have this, you're missing a lot. Please contact your Saladmaster dealer, PL Transform Limited. Thank you very much.
And now we are going to show you our finished product we just did earlier. The brown rice and the vegetable stew, and as you can see, beautifully fried without oil plantain. And I hope you will make this a recipe and enjoy it. And see you again another recipe time. Thank you very much.